ZeroBurn fire prevention system differs in the fire protection industry by the fact that we are a preventative system. We prevent fires from ever happening. By adding inert nitrogen to the controlled space, the ambient air that we breathe of about 21% oxygen is lowered to 14 to 15% oxygen, where scientifically a fire cannot even start. In addition, the ZeroBurn access mode can return the room to normal oxygen levels. So when we talk about fire suppression, what we do is enhance the existing system by proactively eliminating fire possibility and collateral damage. Proven, patented, preventative, and 100% effective. ZeroBurn has actually added security to an existing fire suppression system. The fire suppression is there to protect the bricks and mortar of a building. We're actually there to protect the valuable assets of either a mission-critical facility or a high asset value facility. ZeroBurn operates much like an air conditioner. By taking the air we breathe and converting that through a nitrogen generator, there are no tanks necessary, so it's a 100% green product. The system is based on science, and the science is proven. It can't be adjusted, it's just pure physics. It is a patented system in the United States, and the ZeroBurn PLC and system now has UL and ETL listings. In the demonstration room, we show you several flammable items such as paper, plastic, wood, kerosene, charcoal lighter fluid, cardboard, and wire. What we display is a simulation of an electrical fire, as well as a torch that we put right on flammable products and flammable liquids. The torch itself has its own oxygen and propane tank inside of the room, and that's why you're able to see the flame from the torch. What you see now is lighting a match in the controlled space with the oxygen level lowered. The match has some oxygen in the head, so once that oxygen is gone, there is no fire. Here is a flame being placed on a copper wire with a plastic coating, and you'll see that a fire cannot start. A piece of paper with the flame from the torch being placed on it, and you'll see the fire cannot be sustained. Now is the same flame placed on cardboard with the same result. No fires, no consequences. What you see now is a flame being put right on a piece of plastic, which is very similar to what a computer hard plastic on a server. We are actually using a sparkler in the controlled space now to simulate an electrical short, and we're putting that right on top of a highly flammable liquid, and no fire starts. Placing the torch directly on kerosene and charcoal lighter fluid, and no fire starts. No fires, no consequences. What we display is a simulation of an electrical fire, a test method representative of a live wire with a constant power source supplied to it. We show several different materials touching that wire and how a fire cannot even start. Hard plastic applied directly to the wire, and as you can see, a fire cannot start. A piece of cardboard and then wood applied directly to the wire. Now is Romex wire, which is typical of wiring used in household or commercial construction. This is a piece of cotton clothing which you will see applied directly to the wire, and a fire cannot start. ZeroBurn fire prevention system can be used in different industries. In data centers, not only in the server rooms, but also in the auxiliary power rooms, battery rooms, UPS backup rooms, where there's a much greater possibility of a fire happening. In museums, archives, and art galleries, valuable artwork that cannot be replaced. So the ZeroBurn system is actually engineered depending on the facility, the air leakage factor, the makeup air, the assets being protected. It's scalable, and size is not a limitation for a ZeroBurn system. ZeroBurn has remote monitoring capabilities where a third party monitors each system 24/7. No fires, no consequences. ZeroBurn keeps fires from starting, eliminating the risk of smoke and collateral damage. It's peace of mind coming from knowing that your business will not suffer thousands or even millions of dollars worth of damage, business interruption, loss of revenue, or the loss of valuable assets in the event of a fire. ZeroBurn, no fires, no consequences.